Hey guys, it's Heather Downey from Raven of Hope. I'm going to be doing a unboxing of Witchcasket. It comes in like this. I'm excited for this one because, like, again, I can't help myself. I always look at other people's when they get it, especially people from the UK. And right here I got my little evil eye amulet. It's in my bedroom, so it's a different background. So I'm going to be opening it. And this is what it comes in. It's a very nice box. I actually kept the last one and it's got all my herbs in it. This one I'm not sure. I might keep my crystals in it. So you open it. And this is, ooh, it smells beautiful in here. And this is what it looks like in the inside. And that just slid out. Sorry guys. So I am going to be doing like this. And the first thing that slid out is a little note. And it is talking about the list of the contents in here, a giveaway, and just, you know, overall gratitude. And then on the back it has a list of contents. And it's very flimsy, but I like this. It's got like a matte finish. I really like that. And then you get this little print. I really like that. And then the next thing I see, and this is why I was so excited, Witch Boss. Boss Witch. I'm reading it backwards because the camera's backwards, but so I think I'm gonna hang this on my door when you go in my divination room. And then I see this pouch, and it is a personal power ritual kit. So I'm gonna try to open this. Trying not to rip the sticky, but I probably will. Yep, there it goes. And you just get it in this little brown sack. Okay. Just making sure I have everything out of there. Okay. This is what I smelled when I opened it up. So you get a red candle, a red spell candle. And then we got some herbs in here. And here's the other herbs. And this is the personal power ritual kit. Contains angelica root, eyebright, red spell candle. And it gives you the instructions on how to do that. And then it gives you this on the back. I really like that print. Again, it's a little bit thicker than the other one, the print about the contents in it. I might keep this just for the back, honestly. And then I might have to make a copy of this, and then I want to, you know, maybe put this in my Book of Shadows. Then the next thing I see is some coffee. And then it has the brewing instructions on the back. And then I love this cup. Reject that which does not serve. And then this is the back. It says Witchcasket. It's got a nice lid. It slides really nicely. And the handle's nice. It's got like a little thumb rest right there, you know. And I like it because, you know, if I'm a left-handed drinker for whatever reason, so I get to see this awesome saying. But if you're someone that is right-handed, you get to show other people, which is cool. And then we have Fennel Seeds, which is for charisma, willpower and protection in this pouch. And I don't know if it's, I can't remember if it is, okay, good. And it is in this little bag, just like the other ones. And I like these. I like to use these for my angel dressings for my candles. And then we got some ritual candles. White for peace, healing, and truth, and black for protection, banishment, and resilience. And I'm just weird. I like to keep things. Like, I'm not a hoarder. I've been on the verge of it almost in the past. But I want to keep the stickers, or, you know, just for my Book of Shadows. I really think they're very nice. And I really like the candles that they give. They're really big taper candles. And so, here, let me show you the one I got here. So this is kind of used a lot, but I got this from a Christian bookstore in Logansport, Indiana. And I like to put those in here because it fits perfect. You don't need to, you know, burn the bottom and seal the wax. You just put it in there and it stays. So those are the best kind, I think, for these candles. Then you got your scroll in here. And it also says witchcasket. Again, I don't like to rip, you know, the seals, but sometimes you just can't help it, you know. So let me open this up. Okay. This is really cool. This is a scroll for tips for magic on the go. Sigils, charm bags, tarot crystals, books, drinks, and nature. And it gives you a small paragraph for each. And then we have, in this little sachet, Curology. And this is Lovely Made for Witchcasket by Curology. And this is a beautiful choker. And it is a matte, like a black matte finish pinnacle. I don't know. I really like this. This is really pretty. I'm going to be wearing that for sure because I've always been wanting a pinnacle, but I just couldn't find the right one for me, and I think that one's going to be the right one. And then you have the pen of the month, which is Boss Witch. And I really like this too. That's going to go on my purse, I think. The next thing I got is pretty heavy, but it is the Selenite Palm Stone for peace, meditation, harmony, and spiritual healing. And that is the tag on it. And this is like a, it almost feels like velvet, but it's not. It's kind of reminds me, the feel of it is like a corduroy jeans almost. It's really, really nice. I don't think I've ever seen a sachet bag like that, or organza. Really nice. And then it has the string for the, you know, oh wow. Okay, a lot of vibes from this. And this is a selenite palm stone. This is a big one, you know, and I have small hands, but this is pretty big to me. Like, Really love that. Wow, I'm gonna keep it next to me. I don't want to let go of it yet. Okay, and then this one is another stone, and this comes in a pouch. A see-through organza. And this is the cream and black sheryl. Connects with and helps with balanced support of all the chakras in the body, bringing and stabilizing energy, what helps you stay grounded. This great stone is for health, general well-being, and emotional stability. Sheryl can also help you to connect with your spiritual self and guide you on your spiritual path. And this is a stone. I'm getting a lot of power off this. Woo! It jumped. It went into my Cutting Hands encyclopedia for herbs. Wow. So what I felt like, I dropped it because I got such a surge of energy in my solar plexus. That's probably detoxing me for whatever reason. Okay, and then you got all your peanuts for making sure that this arrives nice, your little peanut packs. And then the last thing is this Ancient Wisdom Pure Essential Oil. It comes in a box like this. And this is the content inside. And it is patchouli, juniper berry, lang lang oils. Sensual. I like it, but it gives me a sense of Vicks. But after you smell it a while, you can really tell that it's from the lang lang and the juniper berry. You could smell the patchouli, but it's like an undertone almost. I really like that. Whew, it opens up the sinuses. I think that'll be good for nighttime for me and my oil diffuser. But I really love everything that came in this box. I hope that you check out their website. I also have a box coming that I bought off their shop, and it was half off because of everything going on, and also gratitude for the witchcasket subscribers. So I ordered, like, I'm not joking, like $100 worth of things, of items that I didn't get because I didn't have the previous witch boxes, and then witchcasket, sorry. And just things that I thought would be good for my craft in my room. And so I'm really excited to get that one too. And hopefully that'll come in a couple weeks. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will try to leave a link down to their website as well. To me, it's affordable. For all the contents you get, it's really worth the money, especially if you live outside the UK. I have tried other boxes and I like them. Like, I really like the Witch's Moon box, but this is just something that kind of speaks to my gothic side, and so it's perfect for me. And I'm holding this dang palm stone again because it's really nice. But I hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine, and I'm wishing you all the blessings, and I will talk to you guys soon. Blessed be.